battle system. Nothing there. I've kept all the code in a clean way. There's a lot of arrays. Of course, there's tons of stats. There's a big stat tree involved. We also have a limit bar. Custom save system slots that I'm using, 3 slots with custom actions, which will be on my GitHub. You'll also notice that when we hit the limit, this guy actually changes to limit. You can see now his attack is turned to limit. Finish him. We have a world map that you can run around. So a spawning system for the AI. Which is a fully adjustable spawn system, very flexible, can go into different types of spawns, different monsters. So fourth, we also have a system where we can go into different scenes, such as entering a cave. But we have a stat system, or status system I should say. So I can, for example, do guard, and I take less damage. We could also flee from battle, where we will turn and we will try to run away, and it's done the logic. I'm going to add in a spell system and maybe a tiny inventory to it. You can also adjust where your character is in battle, so you can swap characters around. Now standing down here, so don't miss out. Come subscribe, learn how to rebuild Final Fantasy.